The sun is still shining. This is Magnolia, Texas. The sun is still shining. We're getting a few gusts. The wind burst is coming through. You hear those wind surges. My trees are about 60 feet tall in my yard.
Came in. I know. And leave the boys getting him. Where's he at? He's behind the chair. This is not cool. You can't sleep in my
Wow.
See what Grandma do?
This is my bedroom window. I'm in Magnolia, Texas. Look at the top of the tree. Fell. You can look. Closer. And a tree that's in the distance. That's a 60-foot pine tree that's falling. Trees do resemble mine, the neighborhood is blocked in both directions. This is the street right in front of my house. And then if you look down the street, if you can see, down the street, it's blocking that direction too. That tree down. The Lord was with us. It fell the opposite way from his house. So this is what it looks like. On my street. In my environment. Top of that tree broke off.